In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block spam emails on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Mail app, and then if we go to our inbox, we can find some users that keep spamming us by their emails, like that user. Let's say I would like to block them. To do that, all we have to do is just tap right here at their name. Then we need to tap at their name again to go to that contacts page. And that's where we can easily find the option which is called block this contact. If we tap on it, it will ask us, are we sure we would like to block this contact? To block this contact, tap right here and then tap at done. However, if we go to inbox now, we can see that icon next to that user's email. However, the email is still here. If we would like to automatically move all that emails from that user to that trash, we need to go to settings, then mail, and then blocked sender options. Right here, we need to switch it to move to trash. And from now on, messages from block senders can either remain in your inbox or automatically be moved to the trash. That's how you can easily block and delete spam emails on your iPhone.